Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to configure a proxy in the Money Robot program. Let's get started. Launch the Money Robot program. At the top of the program, click on Settings. A window will appear and you need to select the Proxy tab. If you don't have your own proxies, you can utilize the system proxies provided by Money Robot. To do this, enable the option Use Money Robot Proxy System. Alternatively, if you have your own proxies that you want to use with the program, activate the Use My Proxy List option. Below the options, you can input the proxies line by line. You can enter one or multiple proxies. If you are using a free proxy, enter them in the format of IP, port. If you have a personal proxy, enter them in the following format instead: IP, port, @ username, password. Once you have added the required proxies, click on Save. That's it. The proxy is now set and you can proceed with working in the Money Robot program using the configured proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your account may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.